If you want to change the background color in Lightroom, the first thing to know is that Lightroom does not fully replace a background the way Photoshop can. What it does really well is let you adjust the existing background so it looks much closer to the color tone you want. So if your goal is to shift the mood of a photo, warm up the backdrop, cool it down, or make the background look more neutral or dramatic, Lightroom is a great option. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to do it using masking, and I'll also show you the limitation you need to know before you start. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. Let's get into it. Open your photo in Lightroom and go to the masking tool. Once you're inside masking, choose select background. Lightroom will automatically detect the background area and create a mask for it. If the selection is not perfect, don't worry, you can still refine it later. But in many cases, Lightroom does a pretty good job at isolating the background from the subject. Now that the background is selected, start adjusting the color using Temp and Tint. These two controls are the fastest way to shift the background color tone. If you want the background to feel warmer, move Temp slightly to the right. If you want it cooler, move Temp to the left. Then use Tint to add a green or magenta shift depending on the look you want. Small changes can make a big difference, so move these sliders slowly and watch the background as you edit. Next, adjust exposure if you want the background to look brighter or darker. Lowering exposure can create a more moody or studio-style look, while increasing it can make the background feel softer and more airy. After that, use saturation to control how intense the background color appears. If the background is too strong, reduce saturation a little. If it looks too weak, bring saturation up carefully until it matches your subject better. Here's the important part. Lightroom cannot fully replace a background color cleanly like a dedicated background removal or compositing tool. It only changes the background that is already there. That means if your original background has multiple colors, textures, shadows, or objects, Lightroom can shift the tone, but it will not turn it into a perfect solid color backdrop. So if you want a clean solid color background, the better choice is Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop gives you more precise selection tools and full control for replacing the background completely. But if you only need a fast and simple background color adjustment, Lightroom is still a very useful option. So to recap, go to masking, choose select background, then adjust temp, tint, exposure, and saturation until you get the look you want. It's quick, easy, and perfect for subtle background color changes. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more editing tips, and I'll see you in the next one.